Kanye West, an entrepreneur and musician, lost his lucrative multi-year contract to create the Yeezy sneakers brand for Adidas as a result of his anti-Semitic remarks. Former Donda Academy instructors are suing Kanye West for poor working conditions, including serving just sushi and failing to provide chairs and tables. What caused Adidas to cease its collaboration with Kanye West despite the significant financial impact it would have on the company? What claims have former Donda Academy teachers made in their lawsuit against Kanye West? The sportswear giant Adidas ended its collaboration with the rapper and designer Kanye West, known as Ye, last year, following anti-Semitic remarks. The termination of his Adidas deal really resulted in West dropping off Forbes' billionaire list. Kanye West keeps getting into trouble. Kanye enjoyed complete success for a spell. He had a protracted alliance with Adidas, which has subsequently come to an end. But their story did not end there. A class action lawsuit was brought by Adidas stockholders against the company. They accused Adidas of failing to alert investors of Kanye's anti-Semitism and other extreme behaviors. Shareholders claim in the lawsuit that Adidas routinely ignored his conduct as early as 2018. Kanye's celebrity status is not much of a help, but Adidas' attorneys are optimistic that they can win the lawsuit. After working with Adidas for 10 years, the rapper, 45, lost his contract as a result of a slew of anti-Semitic remarks he made on social media. Adidas does not allow anti-Semitism or any other type of hate speech, the company declared at the time. Ye has recently made remarks and taken actions that are undesirable, dangerous, and against the company's principles of inclusiveness, respect, and fairness. Following careful consideration, the company has decided to immediately terminate its relationship with Ye, halt the creation of goods bearing the Yeezy brand, and halt all payments to Ye and his businesses. The business foresaw a short-term negative impact on the company's net income of up to $250 million. According to the collaboration, Adidas is the sole owner of all design rights to existing products, as well as previous and new colorways. Adidas is currently being sued by investors for damages sustained as a result of allegedly failing to disclose the possibility that its association with West could end. The claims contend that the German label was aware of the gold digger musician's views long before cutting ties. They cite skeletons in the closet, referring to the fact that West suggested naming one of his albums after Adolf Hitler in front of Adidas employees as support for their argument. White Lives Matter-themed attire was worn by models in West's Paris Fashion Week show last October. It is a white supremacist phrase that originated in early 2015 as a racist response to the Black Lives Matter movement, according to the Anti-Defamation League. West's Instagram and Twitter accounts were suspended later that month after he made anti-Semitic comments. Adidas denied claims that they chose to continue with their association despite West's anti-Semitic views in reaction to the lawsuit. It declared, "We outright reject these unfounded claims." The relationship was abruptly terminated, leaving the company with unsold stock valued at £1.1 billion and a £444 million blow to operating profit this year. Adidas saw the writing on the wall. Investors said they were taken aback by the numbers because they were unaware of how important Yeezy was to Adidas' revenue. West is not involved in the most recent Adidas lawsuit, but he is still in legal trouble. Two former Donda Academy teachers are reportedly suing Kanye West for wrongful termination and discrimination. The musician started the private Christian school in 2022, and according to its website, it would instill in its students an ethic of integrity and care that would prepare students to become the next generation of leaders. According to court documents, Cecilia Haley and her daughter Chikari Byers alleged to have observed students at the school being served just one meal per day. The claim is that students were served sushi while seated on the floor. Haley and Byers reportedly claim that they were fired for reporting code violations that were subjected to racial discrimination, and their wages were held illegally. According to the records, color was prohibited in classrooms, and everyone was required to wear all black. Additionally, classes were not held on the second floor because Kanye West is allegedly afraid of stairs. According to reports, West, the school, and three directors are being sued for more than $1 million in damages. Byers claims that despite frequently bringing up safety and health violations, no action was taken to address the problems. In addition, it is reported that students were prohibited from bringing in any food or beverages other than water to supplement their allegedly one meal per day of sushi. Additionally, it claims that they were not allowed to go outside during lunch or recess. According to the lawsuit, West reportedly spent $10,000 a week on sushi. When the school opened in 2022, there was not much information accessible about what it offered. After going through the claims, one can be very sure that they are not making a mountain out of a molehill. What do you think of Kanye West in the two lawsuits? The one brought because of him and the one brought against him? Share your views in the comments section below.